I'm a paper guy. I spent more than 48 years as a practicing attorney, and then a judge, handling case filings in a paper format. When I heard about the Franklin County Court processes shifting to an electronic format, I thought, never in my career, not here, no way.
Any revolution that creates change comes with its challenges. Going from paper to an electronic medium was just one of them. We also realized that there were many players involved in the legal system here in Franklin County. As such, one of our first priorities was to identify those players and form an e-governance board. Its focus and mission, to implement electronic filing. Over several years, the collaboration of elected officials, county leaders, and community members, and their strategic initiatives and planned follow-through, and the board's regular communications were key in getting us to launch successfully the e-filing in October 2011.
Well, it was critical to maintain and follow all the appropriate guidelines and processes. Adhering to the county's RFP bid process was essential, from selecting the system developer to the vendor charged with handling online payments. All of this was essential. The process was exhaustive and extensive, but it had to be as such. Not only were we responsible for identifying the best system for our e-filing customers, but also for selecting the best fiscal option for our county's taxpayers.
The key to the success of this project was gathering knowledgeable court and clerk staff and identifying every workflow and transforming each of the workflows from the paper world to the electronic world. In doing so, this meant hundreds of meetings over several years and the need for resources to be solely dedicated to the project.
As chair of the Franklin County Data Board and the Governance Board, the focus of many discussions concerned the issue of mandatory e-filing. The outcome of these talks influenced the language that the court's decision makers incorporated into the administrative orders. While an impactful shift was occurring in our county court system, we had to maintain the best interests of all users, from filers to clerk to court officials in the General Division of the Common Pleas Court of Franklin County.
Probate Court in Franklin County saw an opportunity to join in on e-filing, as many of our functions are so closely connected to other Franklin County courts and their operations. As a court, we didn't want to be left behind, making our customers participate in dual filing systems. After all, time is money, and allowing our customers to interact with our court electronically is good government.
I'm a customer on many levels. I'm a practicing attorney as well as an active member of the Columbus Bar Association and former chair of the Small Firm and Solo Practitioner Committee. When I got word that Franklin County was shifting to an electronic form of filing, I was thrilled. My filing time was extended from a typical 8-hour day to 24/7. My clients are digital, my practice is digital, and now my court is digital. Filing online is natural. My office is located on the other side of town, but with e-filing, Franklin County judicial system is at my fingertips. Add all these factors up, and they result in cost savings to a small business owner like me.
In the General Division, mandating e-filing made sense, but in family court, we have a considerable amount of filings done by pro se filers. We needed to consider those users and whether family matters had to be e-filed. We too mandated the legal community through administrative orders. For our filers who use the electronic system, that reduces the amount of paper filings in our court. The feedback we have received has been extremely positive. Electronic filing, we believe, could impact the speed of domestic and juvenile matters.
Well, the nature of the judicial system is such that most of the cases that come to us in the 10th District Court of Appeals come from the Franklin County trial courts. Accordingly, it was apparent to us from the beginning that we needed to be part of the e-filing system, and the outcome has been great. In our office, the move from paper to electronic filing has been pretty seamless, and everyone, the judges, the lawyers, the litigants, and the court staff have all been thrilled with the change.
The system works. It's intuitive, easy, and efficient. With just my iPad, I can review case filings and electronically sign any e-file document from anywhere. E-filing, it's as easy as 1, 2, beach.
Electronic filing not only revolutionized the work in the Clerk of Court's office, it continues to impact the entire practice of law in Franklin County. Collaboration amongst county leaders was a critical component of launching our comprehensive e-filing system. Cooperative work done at the leadership level set the stage for data center staff, court employees, deputy clerks, and many others to work so well together. All who participated and were responsible for Franklin County's success have a story to tell. Today, at the National Center for State Courts 2014 conference, you'll hear from experts in my office who played such an important part in implementing e-filing. Here's our story.